Hey everyone, if you're a marketer or if you're running an online business, you're definitely tracking your search analytics and you're using Google Search Console for it. Google Search Console is the de facto tool for online business managers and marketers or anyone who's running an online business. So you're managing your page analytics like this, where you're tracking your clicks and impressions, and you have to go back and forth on Google Search Console constantly to keep track of how your pages are performing. And if you're managing pages at scale, where you have more than say 1,000 pages on your website, you definitely need an automation or a better tool to keep track of your real-time search analytics of each of your pages. Today, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can automate your search analytics with Google Search Console and Stackby. So let's go. So first, you create a Stackby workspace. Now, in the Stackby workspace, we have added a template called Search Analytics. You can check out this template. The first thing that you need to do is authenticate your API with Google Search Console. You go to Integrations, search about Google Search Console. You add your API key, and connect to the Search Console account. Just authenticate it. And save. So once this is saved, you've already connected your Search Console with Stackby. Go to your dashboard, you go to Search Analytics. Now, in Search Analytics, you essentially have to bring few data. So one is the property URL. So in this case, if you're running a domain, we're running Stackby, so property URL is Stackby. And you want to bring an individual page URL that you want to keep track of. So I've added some of the templates that we have launched in the past, and I've added some page URLs of those templates. You can add start dates, end dates, which country you want to see the page analytics, the search analytics for, and which device. So you can choose and add different abbreviations for different countries or for different devices, whether it's a desktop, mobile, or web. And you can then connect to the Search Console API. So in this case, you have to go to connect to an API or a service, select Google Search Console, select the API that we just added, GSE 2023. The service is Search Analytics from the website. You reference the property URL that we added, the page URL, start date, end date, country, device, and just apply. So since we have already added this, let me just quickly hit a refresh. So this is already added. So now if we can add another page URL, so let me just add one more, add the start dates and end dates, add the country, and I want to bring information about desktop. And if I just hit refresh, so it automatically pulls in the impressions, positions, clicks, and the CTR within that time frame. So what this does is, if I click on the data, it automatically pulls in the information about this particular page, and it pulls in information about clicks, impressions, CTR, and position, and you can create those 4 columns. Once those columns are created, you can see it and visualize it in Stackby. So this is how you can automate your all the different page URLs. What you could do is you can basically do a monthly analysis of each of those pages and automate it. So just import all the page URLs once. If it's on spreadsheet or Google Sheets, just import it in Stackby. Connect to the Search Console API, and you can also click on an automation to run this every 15 days or every 1 month. So, or you can also schedule it for new rows as well. So just click on schedule. So it automatically will schedule, every month or every day, depends on, how you've added it. So yeah, so this is how you can automate your Google Search Console reporting, with, a brand new search analytics connector from Search Console. So give this a try and let us know, what you think.